Hi, today we're going to be replacing a coil on a 1990 90 horsepower Mercury Outboard, and there's 3 of them, one for each cylinder, right down the side here. He noticed some irregular function in the engine, wasn't getting enough power. We took it apart, found out one of the plugs looked significantly different than the other, used a handy spark tester to test it with, and found out we're not getting any spark from this coil down here. In order to replace it, we need to remove this plastic ignition side cover, and there's, looks like 3 bolts here, 8mm. Let's go ahead and get those off.
Remove these 6 screws that hold the side cover plate on, the wire coming from it, and the 2 field wires that come from the power supply.
Once you get the mounting plate
pull it away from the machine
and expose the coils,
and the coil will slide
in
and out
from the bottom
of this cover plate
so
holder.
Slid one out, now
like
we're sliding
so.
the new one back in.
Attach your 2 field wires back to the terminals
nut, depending on
and mount the cover plate
the coil
back to the side.
Now he's securing the 6 8mm screws that hold the coil assembly to the cylinder head, and also the 2 nuts that hold the wires to the coil. You need these nice and tight. You don't want to break them off or snap them, but you want them so they're not going to vibrate and come loose while you're on the boat. That would be awful. Okay. Plug the wire back into that coil.
Just stick it in?
Yep, stick it in really far. There you go. Make sure it won't push any further in. Yeah, like that.
Seems good.
Yeah, there you go. Now, if everything went well, we should have spark on the lower cylinder now.